Hello everyone! So if you want to install games on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9, first of all you have to connect your watch to Mi Fitness application. Now open up this application, press Device, press Manage Band Displays, and here we have some games. For example, let's look for them. For example, we can choose a 2048, so tap on it, press Apply. It was applied successfully. Now let's grab our watch, right? And on our watch, simply press Start, and as you see, this game starts. So as you see, everything's working good. The working process is good as well. And basically that's it. That's how you use games. So press reset, press back. Your watch operates as it usually does. However, now you have a game. If you want to change the game, once again, grab your phone, find something else which you would like to play, and simply press install, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.